Hello friends, welcome to Mathstoon. Today we will learn to find the divisors of 9. If you want to learn more about divisor, please visit mathstoon.com. Now let's start. Firstly, we will find all the possible ways in which we can divide 9. We will start from dividing by 1. 9 divided by 1 is 9. So, 1 and 9 are the divisors of 9. Now, 2 does not divide 9. So, we will try for 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So, 3 is a divisor of 9. As we have obtained the same numbers here, so we will stop dividing right now. Now look that we have all the divisors of 9 which are in orange colors. Those are 1, 3 and 9. So the total number of divisors of 9 is 3. Now if we look at these divisors, we can see that 3 among these numbers is a prime number because 3 does not have any divisor other than 1 and 3 itself. So we can easily say that the prime divisor of 9 is only 3. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave your comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel.